Just ahead lies Llandeilo, high on a hill overlooking the Tawe itself. Up until a few years ago, this was a busy railway junction. That was before they closed down the lines, bringing trains from Pembrokeshire and Carmarthen to join our Central Wales line. But it's a railway which still brings the town to the country. And although only a handful of passengers now use the station compared with the old days, there's still an old-fashioned welcome in the refresh, as the station bar is known locally. British Rail rents the bar to Mrs. Gladys Thomas, and for her this has always been a very special railway.
Yes, I've been here since 1943. Brought up 7 children here and could easily get them to sleep through all the noise and everything, but Sunday night, when it was quiet and no trains, I had enough trouble with them. There was trains and trains going through, excursions with soldiers it was during the war, and there was nothing to see. Battalion of soldiers coming up on the 1:30 train. But now, of course, it's different altogether. There's no Pembroke trains as it used to be. When they closed the Carmarthen line, those finished. And the place has gone to rock and ruin, more or less, but we try to do our best to keep the refresh going. And indeed, I must say, we've got nice customers here. And we've had lots and lots of fun.